In this tutorial, I will show you Kajabi marketing settings. For that, in your Kajabi admin, find the settings near the bottom left and click on it. Then, under site settings, find marketing settings and click on it. Here, the marketing contact address, that is a very basic, contact information that you need to provide here. And if you do not want to share your home address here, you can actually purchase a PO box and you can legally use that. And to be just letting you know, this address will be used at the bottom of your every marketing emails. That's why if you do not want to share your home address, you should use a PO box. Then the company logo, you can also keep it empty, but I recommend that you use your logo here. This logo will be visible at the top of your marketing emails, so it is important to have a constant branding. Then the email settings, here the from name, it should be your name, your company name, or your organization name. And the from email, it can be like this, support at the rate your domain.com. I personally, keep the reply email and from email the same. You also can do so. And then the custom email domain. So if you do not want to use Kajabi's default, email settings, then you can actually use your custom email domains. But there are some issues like advantage and disadvantage about using custom email domains, and most of them are related to the email deliverability. Okay, so do that at your own research. But I personally use this one and it is quite fine, and the deliverability is excellent, so you can keep using the Kajabi's default email settings. Then the email sequence. So if you have a email sequence and when your targeted audience are most active in the internet, then you can actually set the time to send the email sequences. And this is a very handy setting, so you can actually set the specific time and the time zone, and the email sequence will be sent to that specific time. So that's conclude the Kajabi marketing settings, and don't forget to save changes once you are happy with all the changes.